On our way to try something a little bit different today. Halal meat and authentic Middle Eastern kebabs. And I wanted to make sure I got it authentic, so I had my consultant with me, Hadia.
Hi.
And that's one of her scruffy friends there. So we're gonna get real ingredients at the store. Come along with us. Halal meat, the kebabs. This is the marinade. Calls for garlic paste. I have everything else. So I'm buying the garlic, ginger garlic paste here as well. Okay, folks, so this is called lost in translation or miscommunication. So talking to Hadia's mom, her mom said, no, that paste you made was for something like a chicken tandoori. So she said an actual beef kebab marinade. She would make it by tenderizing the beef cubes first, which I did. And a half a packet of this, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and oil, which makes more sense to me. It sounds more like a marinade. So we're gonna marinate these Middle Eastern style. Since Sang's is a little bit expensive, I'm gonna supplement it with garlic infused oil. Call for 2 tablespoons of this. And it's actually garlic, ginger garlic together. A little bit more do you have? Jess, why don't you start cleaning up?
Okay.
I'm gonna catch you guys making them.
Well, you just what you're not saying. And that is what really irks me.
Kenny driving me crazy as usual. 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of butter. Throw in 1 shallot diced, 4 cloves of garlic. Let that come to a simmer, become fragrant, like this. Now add in 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Then we'll want to bring this to a simmer. And add in the spices, turmeric, teaspoon, and Cajun salt, another teaspoon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, and yes, Jasmine Rice, to Blanche TV. This is where I got the recipe from. So credit where credit is due. Then you bring it to a boil, turn down the heat, and then let it simmer to become full and fluffy. Now back out to the grill. Ran out of skewers, but that's not a problem. Put it on this and we're good to go. Add some wood. games begin. Might want to have some water nearby in case your wood catches on fire. But if you keep the hood closed, it should restrict the airflow enough that it's not going to stay on fire anyways. Smelling great already. This part was super easy. Took less than 10 minutes. Well, around 10 minutes, but it was harder making the rice. This is the fun part. Hadia, what do you think about the rice? It's the first time I made it, so if you don't like it, that is totally fine.
The rice tastes really good, but I feel like it could use a little more salt.
Perfect.
Are you gonna ask me?
Not yet. This is, you know what Cajun salt is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go ahead and add whatever you want.
I like the rice, but I think I could add a little bit more seasoning. But not just like salt. Like this or like
You know, it's
pepper.
funny, I thought so too.
Really?
But I didn't want to, I wanted to make it, you know.
Well, I love lemon pepper, so I'm putting a little bit on.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. It tastes better with this one.
Good. I added some of that when I was cooking it, but I'm like, well, I don't want to add too much. You know.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, that is so good.
Good.
It's not chicken.
Sorry, I call onion chicken.
Is that too red or anything?
Looks good.
No, no, it's pink.
Oh, it's really good.
Is it like, what do you call it? Malik al kebab?
Better than
No, that's not possible. I'll taste it. I think you guys are yanking my chain. Well, folks, that marinade from Hadia's mother was just perfect. Spicy, but not overly spicy. Very flavorful. I'm really happy with it. Any improvements I can make? Be honest.
a little bit more seasoning on the chicken and just make the rice a little bit more salty. Yeah, that's it.
Good. I will take your notes. Thank you.
Get it off the skewer.
Well, I hope this was helpful. As always, everyone, thanks for stopping by my man cave garage.